In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form from Salesforce and send it. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can effortlessly integrate this feature into your workflow. So, let's dive right in. First, to begin this journey, start by logging into Salesforce. If you've been using Salesforce for a while, this is likely second nature to you, but it's always a good idea to double check your credentials to ensure a smooth login process. Once you're settled in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the setup icon. It's represented by a little gear. Click on it, and this will open the advanced setup section. From here, you'll have access to a menu of options to further pursue what we need to do. Next, turn your focus to the quick find box. This handy tool is your best friend today. Type in either web to lead or web to case, depending on what you aim to achieve with your form. If you're not sure what the best option for your situation is, remember that web to lead is typically used for marketing purposes to capture leads, while web to case focuses on support and service cases. Selecting the correct one helps streamline your future processes. Moving on, locate the option that says Create Web to Lead Form and go ahead and click on it. This is where the magic begins. Now you can select the fields you wish to include in your form. Consider what information you need from your respondents and choose accordingly. Common fields might include name, email, or an open text box for additional comments. Selecting the right fields ensures you gather the essential data without overwhelming your users or cluttering the form. Once you've meticulously selected your desired fields, it's time to generate the HTML code for your form. This code is crucial as it embodies the structure of your form and dictates how it will appear once embedded. With a simple click, Salesforce does the heavy lifting and provides you with this code. Now, with code in hand, you'll want to copy and paste this HTML snippet into your website or email. If you're embedding it on a web page, ensure it fits within the design and layout to maintain a professional appearance. Similarly, in an email, make sure it doesn't disrupt readability. Finally, once your form is live and operational, any submissions will have the data flow directly into Salesforce. This seamless integration provides real-time updates to your database, enhancing your ability to track, manage, and analyze data as it comes in. In summary, you've just learned how to create and send a form from Salesforce, enhancing your ability to capture valuable data with ease. Whether you're seeking leads or managing customer cases, this process will undoubtedly prove invaluable. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy form creating.